This is a Star Wars Action News Hypercast.
Welcome back, Star Wars Action News fans. Curtis here with a little more Star Destroyer building. Again, the model is from Revell. Check out part 1 on our YouTube archives for more info. So this video will focus on the top of the hull and bridge of the Star Destroyer. At some point, my sides are not as tight as they should be, and my bridge ends up with a slight gap in the back. Detailing of the bridge is great, with 2 shield generators, and overall the bridge is very striking, showing the iconic shape of the ship. It is all very tiny work, and I think paint will hide a few gaps in the back. I'm very happy with the results, given my low experience building model kits. The entire ship is molded into light gray plastic, so paint is not necessary, but I want to give it more depth and make it a true display piece on my desk. Painting will be done with an airbrush and some model paints. I'm just waiting on some thinner to come in to get start on the painting. That will be the next and final video in this series. As the Star Destroyer comes together, the size of the ship is huge. It is close to 23 inches long, so it is massive. In scale with other figures, it's as tall as most premium format figures. 2 Hot Toys, or just short of 4 Black Series figures, standing on top of each other. If you have any questions, come on over to our Facebook page where I have a post linking both of these videos and some photos of the process that didn't make it into the video.
Thanks for watching. Please check out some of our other videos, and you can hear hundreds of Star Wars collecting podcasts and see photo galleries at our site, swactionnews.com.